I'm Keelan Torres. I'm a 157 pounder and I'm from Altus, Oklahoma.
I'm Zach Gensler. I'm from Andover, Kansas, and I'm a 125 pounder. Hey guys, I'm here with Keelan Torres today, here to ask him a couple questions. So Keelan, what brought you to OSU?
Well, you know, I've just always watched OSU's wrestling program ever since I was little, and I've just always enjoyed it, and so I just decided to come here.
All right. What is your favorite thing about Stillwater?
You know, I like all the people here. They all seem pretty nice, and I mean, it just feels like home being here.
All right. So Keelan, what sports do you like to watch in your spare time?
Football, basketball, really anything that's on TV, whichever.
All right. And if you had a guilty pleasure, what would that be?
I'm not quite sure. I mean,
don't really have one?
No.
That's cool. That's cool. All right. You listen to music probably. If you were to say an artist that you play the most, what would it be?
Probably, have to go with, I mean, I listen to Lil Wayne sometimes, so probably him most of the time.
All right, good choice, good choice. One word to describe yourself, what would that be?
Pretty laid back.
Laid back, all right. And do you have a nickname?
No, not that I know of right now.
Probably will have one. And on to the last question, who's your biggest inspiration?
I'd have to say my dad.
All right.